back with another nature reserve. And instead, I'm going back to the park in new clothes. Boom! Head to toe. And again, shout out my brother, Orlando and Caden, brothers, really good friends. And I am going to go to a couple theme parks soon. Theme parks. What are they? Amusement parks. A lot of them. In one whole week, from the 19th to the end of the week of the 19th. So, let's go. It's sick, right? Amusement parks. Yeah, I come soon. But for now, nature reserve, parks, people's houses, barbecues, maybe. Okay. Let's just do this one. Rude. People are rude. Nobody stop for me. I bet this person's going to stop. Thank you. I'm at the walk so you guys can actually see ahead of me. This is the view I'm actually looking at right now. I got my new case on. Okay. What the hell? There's never been that much elders here. Okay? Was them over there? Yo, I just see two teenagers. One little one. Two teenagers and yeah. That's it. See? It's empty. My brother did say, if there's no one there, come back. But there's people here. So, doesn't make sense anyway. When I'm gonna do this time, see, look, I got it attached to me. So this time, I don't have a risk of it falling off. Well, second! Really? Teenagers house. Little ones, teenagers, and a bunch of people outside. Okay, then it's packed. And then people 3, 2. Detroit. Yes! Oh shit. Okay, now I really feel like I'm gonna go. The heck. Lila. Try name one character from My Hero Academia. No. Sunlight. I can name plenty. Yo, they've just been. I bet they've just been on that for the whole time. Yo, I have you guys in my hands right now. Like, I feel like I'm gonna die. Wait. This video can only be 3 minutes. Oh no, that's a one video being recorded. 3 minutes? What the frick? Yo, just getting here and going, it's waiting for them and doing this. That's taking 3 minutes? I thought it was gonna take like 1 minute. What? First kicks. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna go and go to this time. Look. Okay, yeah. Detroit Smash. Yeah. Lila, what colours would you choose? Green, yellow, or red and white? What? Choose between these colours. Green, one's yellow, like that, or red or white. Okay, you definitely. That means that you're giving the name useless. Whoever's having a birthday. Fam, this is scary. Okay. Still in it. That was lit. This time you had my face. Okay, so nature reserve. Still shout out to Orlando. My G. Lit. Check out my brother's YouTube channel, Tay23. He's lit. He only posts 2 videos. Both of them basically got like 1,000k views in like 1 day. So yeah, actually one got 1,100k views in 2 years. You think I'll get that? Well, check him out, Tay23. And yeah, I'm doing the exact same thing as last time. Just walking, skate park, around the place, through the yard. Yeah, and maybe saying, oh wow, so cool. I'm not going on that, fam. I am too small. Yo, the winds are tough. Right now, just walking, you guys are blowing. Yo, I see my PayPal and Lisa. I thought it was going to be the competition today. I really wanted it to be so I could show you, but the thing is, I was gonna, but then I realized, oh no, the competition isn't happening. It usually happens on Saturdays. It's a Sunday. Usually happens on Sundays. Yesterday was Saturday, right? I am deaf. Anyway, I'm gonna go and play around with it. No sorry. No sound? I hear that sound. Do you dare me to go in there? Fam. That's a base for some next animals. Foxes, snakes, you name it. I'm going in. I'm gonna run across this. Okay. With my head ducked down so I could only see nothing. Okay? Let's do this. Come on. We got this. He made it across. Now we have to go back to it because I want to check out. Oh, yeah. They were lit. I'm going over here. Look at that. That's a pit. Oh, that's a pit of stingers. No. People that jump in stinging little pits die. And I'm not there. I'm not dying today. Oh, flip. Healthy one. I'm getting some really healthy ones over here. Healthy one. Oh, really healthy ones. One's drained of its power. Healthy one. Yeah, I just got like five souvenirs. You guys, I'm gonna go to some theme park space and it's gonna be lit. But you mostly only see my face. And some family members' face. Mostly my auntie, Nan, me, maybe my Nan's mom, still alive, and my brothers, Tay23. Remember, check out our channel, Tay23. Remember yesterday when I flew off some flocks? How nice. Sneakily get these flocks. now, because I'm smart. Did you know that birds actually have one eye looking behind them and another eye looking at them? So if birds look at you, then they not actually looking at you. They are looking at you, but yeah. And birds can look sideways everywhere. Literally. Birds can look everywhere, like. If birds look everywhere at the same time, lit. No one wants to be a bird. Birds can fly, break the rules. Humans have their own rules and stuff. Birds can poop on people's cars and be like, and humans are just like, oh, I have to poop on the person. And birds can fly. I want to fly. I want to be a cool bird, like a kite, a hawk, or dove. A hawk and a dove. Hawk and dove. Don't ask who these people are. This is from DC Universe. You should, no one knows, but I am a big fan of Marvel. Big fan. Thumbs up if you've seen Far From Home. I have.